Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on Introduction to Circuit Analysis. In this video, we will dive into the fascinating world of circuit analysis, where we will learn how to analyze and understand the behavior of electrical circuits. First, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a circuit? A circuit is a closed loop or path through which electric current flows. It consists of various electrical components such as resistors, capacitors, inductors, and voltage or current sources. Circuits can be found everywhere around us, from simple electronic devices to complex power grids. Now, you might be wondering, why do we need to analyze circuits? Well, circuit analysis is essential for several reasons. It allows us to predict and understand how a circuit will behave under different conditions. It helps us design circuits to meet specific requirements, troubleshoot malfunctioning circuits, and optimize their performance. To get started with circuit analysis, there are a few key concepts we need to grasp. 1. Voltage. Voltage is the electrical potential difference between 2 points in a circuit. It is measured in volts and represents the driving force that pushes electric charges through a circuit. 2. Current. Current is the flow of electric charge through a circuit. It is measured in amperes, amps, and is represented by the symbol I. Current is what allows energy to be transferred and used within a circuit. 3. Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the voltage across it and inversely proportional to its resistance. It can be expressed as V equals I into R, where V is voltage, I is current, and R is resistance. 4. Kirchhoff's laws. Kirchhoff's laws are fundamental principles used in circuit analysis. The first law, Kirchhoff's current law, KCL, states that the sum of currents entering a node or junction in a circuit is equal to the sum of currents leaving that node. The second law, Kirchhoff's voltage law, KVL, states that the sum of voltage drops in any closed loop in a circuit is equal to the sum of the voltage rises. Methods of circuit analysis. There are several methods of circuit analysis, including 1. Nodal analysis. Nodal analysis involves applying Kirchhoff's current law to determine the voltage at each node in a circuit. It is particularly useful for solving circuits with multiple current sources. 2. Mesh analysis. Mesh analysis involves applying Kirchhoff's voltage law to determine the current flowing through each mesh or loop in a circuit. It is effective for solving circuits with multiple voltage sources. 3. Superposition. The superposition method allows us to analyze complex circuits by considering the contribution of individual sources one at a time. This simplifies the analysis and helps us understand the circuit's response. Circuit analysis tools. To perform circuit analysis, we can use various tools such as 1. Circuit diagrams. Circuit diagrams are graphical representations of circuits that use standardized symbols to represent different components and connections. They provide a visual representation of the circuit structure, making it easier to understand and analyze. 2. Circuit simulation software. Circuit simulation software, such as SPICE, simulation program with integrated circuit emphasis, allows us to model and simulate circuits on a computer. It provides a virtual environment for testing circuits and observing their behavior. Conclusion. In conclusion, circuit analysis is a fundamental skill for anyone interested in understanding and working with electrical circuits. It enables us to predict and control the behavior of circuits, facilitating the design and optimization of various electronic systems. I hope this introduction has piqued your interest in circuit analysis. In the upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into the different methods of circuit analysis, solve example problems, and explore more advanced concepts. So, stay tuned and get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of circuit analysis. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.